Hi, this is Dr. Deepa Shetty here, and today I'm going to speak something on how, at times, a act of kindness, can really make somebody's world and make this world a better place to live in. We spoke about act of service to people when you love them. We spoke about act of service in a relationship, how it really makes the person opposite to you feel loved, and that can be a language of that person. In the same line, I would say that this can be extended to the greater for a greater good to the people who are may not be in the circle of your loved ones but a completely stranger too, and that can make the world a better place to live in. So in regards to this, I would like to share a story to you. There was a kid, a small boy, who was trying to sell things door to door to make his way through school. In one fine day, when he was doing that, he was very hungry, and there was a last cent or a rupee left with him to eat anything. So it wasn't enough for him to eat anything. So in despair, he thought of knocking one door, and instead of asking or selling his goods, he thought of asking meal from that person. He did knock the door, and a very beautiful young lady opened the door. And seeing her, he didn't feel good to ask for a meal. He just asked a glass of water. The girl understood, looking at his boy, looking at him, that he was hungry. So she went, and instead of getting a glass of water, she got a glass of milk, a big glass of milk. Seeing which, the boy felt very happy. He drank the whole milk and gave it to her and said, "Thank you. How much do I owe for this milk?" She said, "My mom said that the kindness cannot be paid, so you don't owe me anything." So, listening to that, the boy felt very happy, and he left from that place feeling more stronger, more energetic, and faith in God. This boy later grew up into a very successful Dr. Robert Howard, or a specialist who was well known for his surgeries and his treatment in a most irreversible and incurable disease. One day, the same female girl who had given him the milk fell ill, and her disease was not being able to diagnosed. They couldn't find out what was wrong with her, and she was losing it to life. The people who were around her tried to see medications for her in her place, and then they came to know they'll have to shift her to a bigger place. And they came to know about this doctor. They consulted him, and the doctor came and saw her. When he saw her, he recognized her immediately, and he did everything to see to it that she is cured. So whatever study needs to be done, whatever needs to be found out, whatever diagnosis to be done, whatever medication that can help her, he went through them and gave it all to her. And that did yield a result. She became all right within few months. After that, when the bill came to him for of hers, when she was supposed to be discharged, the bill came to the doctor for the for to be taken care of, to write a bill across for the stay that she had. He took the bill and he wrote something over it and returned it to the lady. The girl opened the bill with a very heavy heart, thinking, "My God, the last penny of my life which I have saved till now will go into this bill." She opened the bill and she saw on the edge of the bill written, "Repaid for the glass of milk." And she felt such a lot of bliss and peace in her heart that this world exists with the act of kindness too. What does this story tells? Sometime when we do an act of kindness to somebody, whether it is your loved one or to a stranger, you may not get it returned from the same person. But rest assured that you did your part and made this world a better place to live in. You gave a solace to some heart. You did a part of you, where somebody out there actually may be needing that act of kindness to carry on with his life or her life. And it may change that person's life for good. So you do your part. Make this world a better place, and you'll see that whether it gets returned in the same form or not, it definitely makes you or the people around you to believe in the higher power and have faith in that. You are circulating faith. You are transferring faith. You are becoming a chain of a positive impact and a faith in the circle where that can really, really make a difference in this world. Saying so, I hope you like this story and you will definitely see that this chain continues further. Thank you. Hope I added some value to your life and see you all again soon. Do share and comment.